Bro, I'm just gonna start filming myself. Let's just start now. Recording ourselves, exploring. Yeah, this will be safer. What something happens, we'll have evidence for police. Yeah?
It's a little small baby chestnut. Shut up. Stab you.
It's not even that sharp.
No, not yet. When they are babies, they are soft. You want to try it? Casey, they are soft.
Yeah.
But when they are big like this...
Yo, Casey, come down this trail. Why?
No. No. Sting your nettle. No.
Why is there a bench sat there? Ah, but how will you get down there in first place?
Down there.
Oh, so that's how we get down to the thingy. Or from there.
Oh, there's two ways. There's two ways.
Should we go down here? Why?
Because there's a big post there which
There's
says red
one
light.
down there.
Big post there with red thing on it means danger.
Bro, have you looked up yet? It's so beautiful.
Oh, I'm here. No red. No real thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's here.
Oh, yeah.
So they're little steps.
We can go down that way as well.
Yeah, that would be better. You should be flying. Good, this was safest bit of it all.
Yeah, we could literally just walk.
That's, you know the pebbles?
Yeah?
They're like from a beach.
Yeah. Should we take one pebble?
There you go, the chicken there.
Let's take a pebble. Look at this small pebble.
But if I had a pair of shoes, I would have to a picture of the wall.
Yeah.
You have to take one of those off. Maybe I cool. Oh!
Look at this one.
Right, look down there.